faith in us.
Fuck it, we'll try it. All right, everybody. What we got, Beto? We got lights and mirrors onto this Suburban. What year is it? 93 Suburban. So what we're gonna do is just change out these headlights. Old and crappy. I don't know why he wants to switch them. They still look good.
I can't see, TJ.
And we're gonna change these mirrors. Do the updated tow mirrors on these. If you could tell on that side, it's kind of broken over there. So we're gonna switch those out. Wish us luck. So let's get started. Alright guys, got the first mirror in. This is why you don't buy aftermarket shit, especially on eBay. The ones I recommend is Boost Auto, but they're kind of pricey. But these are the next best things. But they put left side on this bracket, which is meant for the right, and they put the right side for this bracket, which is meant for left. So I had the bracket like this, you know, it kind of looks like it's not supposed to be there, right? Well, you know, that's the correct way to actually do it. I was wondering why that bracket was looking kind of funny, but yeah, the rights on these aftermarket ones are meant for the lefts and the lefts are meant for the rights. So just for you guys to know. But that's how it's supposed to look, nice, clean, and simple. So this mirror's on. We're about to get that one on next. So I'm gonna button this door up and I'll probably put you on the time warp for that one. Alright guys, we hurried up and wrapped up these mirrors. We're just adjusting now. Since he didn't get the electronic ones, now we gotta manually adjust them. How do you want me to adjust it? Good? Alright, let me go open the door. Alright guys, we're probably hungry. Well, we're not probably, I'm really hungry. My brother ate, but we're gonna go get something to eat really quick. Probably get some Fiesta Lay, you know, the old school tacos. So, like I said, we just wrapped up the mirrors. We're gonna do the headlights next. So, hopefully everything goes good, but I'll let you know. You don't have to be super close, but close. Turn on your lights. we're doing right now is that we're adjusting the headlights, and these look a little bit too high. Alright, I'll go open the gate. Turn your brakes on. Alright, you guys, as you can see, it's kind of night, so me and my brother got a late start today, but finally finished. As you can see, the final product looks pretty good. So that's basically to do a little cosmetic work, do kind of like a facelift on trucks like that. But hopefully this video makes it out. I've been making a ton of videos, but my phone is too new for my computer, so now it makes all my videos look bright, and I'm not a wizard at editing all those videos to make it dark, so that way it looks like normal lighting. So I'm using this GoPro right now, but like I said, we'll see how this video turns out. But you know, we're done for today. Until tomorrow. Until next time, you guys, see you around.